Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the AppLock function in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. And after pressing on it, you should select here the first option, which is System and Security, and after that the fourth option, which is AppLock. Now if you press on it, you can instantly activate it or deactivate it, depending how you want it. Now basically if you deactivate the app lock, this whole app will not function, so any apps that were under the lock previously will be deactivated instantly. So yeah, you might want to do this if you find the AppLock function annoying at sometimes. Let's say you use Messenger and all of a sudden spontaneously appears for you to write in the PIN code. Because of that, it can get annoying certain times. For example, in order to do this video like easily, I had to deactivate the AppLock, otherwise sometimes it just appears from nowhere to enter the PIN code, you know. So because of that, you can just deactivate it if you want in certain times and activate it back when you feel like you want to deal with it. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.